Hello traders, welcome to my analyze and my forecast for the Dow Jones Industrial Average on a 60-minute time frame. As you can see here on top on the left, at the right I have a bearish opportunity in a 15-minute charts. Both prices are supported by TVC, and let's start with a bullish view. For the bearish view for the Dow Jones, so there is no bullish view in that case to my opinion. Okay, here we go at this place here, market top. This was 26,616.74 points, the all-time high in the Dow Jones, where you can see in an hourly time frame we drop in a first move down to wave A or a possible zigzag pattern. We bounce back in a wave A, B, C, in a wave 2 or B, which either can be a W, X, Y, which indicates here a possible running flat, and we drop down below all support areas by 1,500 points, crash to fresh new lows, which I marked here with wave 5 of 1. This low is at 23,778, and it is possible to label as a wave 1, of course, but I have the opportunity, as you can see here, which is a possibility for wave 3 of 1. So we have a bounce back in a wave 2 or A. My favorite is wave A, because this move in a wave 2 is too fast and too quick in time. This is quite simple, not just, as I call it, not in time. So I think this is a wave A, this is a wave B down here, which will imply the idea of a running or expanding flat. But of course it is also labeled as a wave 1. So here we have the first opportunity and the first sign that there is no clearance in the patterns and the wave structure to my view. But looking forward to Monday's trading session, I think if this is here a wave 1 or it is a wave B, we have two different targets. If this is a wave 1 and this was wave 2, we have reached to this 0.618 retracement level, which is at 24,202, a little bit, and some ticks below we closed Friday's trading session. So it is possible that the wave 2 of 3 is done in this view, which will also imply many hours of trouble in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which will at least bring us to Tuesday or Wednesday's trading session. If we switch the focus to a corrective move to the upside, which is part of a wave C, we have two areas where I see trouble and possibility to turn around and to reversal and get the trend again to the downside, which is here wave A equals in terms of price wave C equals in terms of price wave A at this level, which is 24,872. This will imply a running flat, but again in terms of price, which I have drawn here at chart, as you can see at these lines, the red one, the blue one, and here the start of the gray one, which is originally measuring this distance from the all-time high, which start here to the first down, and then it reversals back. You can see that, as I told you before, this was too fast and too quick in time. So I think we have a wave C ahead, and right from my feeling, I would say we have an expanding flat where we have to watch for. But this is just my view, which of course is not a rule. This is just a feeling, not more or less. So if it becomes an expanding flat, we have a price zone area above the 25,000 zone, and More exactly, it is above 25,250 to 25,573, which is a wide range above 300 points. After that, I see new declining zone and a new declining phase in Dow Jones Industrial Average. And let's look if I have those here. No, I haven't. The price target for me is in a way 3 to the downside at 20,700 points at this area. It is focused to wait for the Dow Jones to touch that zone. Here at right you can see the Dow Jones Industrial Average in a 50-minute time frame, which is, as you like to see, the corrective pattern, not an impulsive down. It's just a corrective pattern where we have marked the wave A low at 23,778. We come back at this price area at 25,272, which is less than the 0.618 retracement of this move to the downside, which is to my view a zigzag pattern, a wave A of a zigzag pattern, sorry. And mostly in zigzag patterns, a wave B in a counter trend did not exceed above the 0.618 retracement level of the wave A. So this is what happened here. We broke down to fresh new lows, which is a wave 1 of a C wave, and we bounced back, which started at Friday's session, to 24,551 to 24,604 points, where we have a 2 cluster zone of retracement and Fibonacci extension. Not a Fibonacci extension, the Fibonacci retracement from the complete distance. We declined from all-time high to this low here, and this indicate also big trouble for the next down. This level here will be the first where prices becomes much trouble. Yeah, that's it for a quick note. I think the next week or the next 2 weeks have the potential to be and to become the worstest trading weeks and trading days in history. I think this level here, as you can see, a bit larger, 26,616 is the all-time high, which is in place for at least many weeks. This is my first and my favorite view. We have a lot of sentiment measurements which support that view. We have here in short term, you can see the RSI in the lower graph. We were at 6 in the RSI at this first move to the downside. We have here a still clear divergence in RSI and prices. And yeah, let's see what happens. Have a great time, have a great weekend, and be always prepared for the unexpected, what will be next at markets. Okay, see you and have a great time.